To understand more about how we create our indicators, please review the following video at the top of the screen. Today we're going to talk about the OBOS, or our overbought, oversold indicator. When we talk about price being overbought or oversold, you can look it up in Investopedia. Overbought describes a situation in which the price of an asset, a security, a futures contract, a stock has risen to such a degree that an oscillator has reached its upper bounds. That would be a momentum oscillator. This is generally interpreted as a sign that the price of the asset is becoming overvalued and may experience a pullback. Of course, oversold is just the opposite of overbought. It's very typical to put on an oscillator like the relative strength index here on a chart to determine when price is overbought or oversold. Where you see that on this chart, there are areas where the oscillator exceeds the extremes or the thresholds that have been set to determine price being overbought or oversold. It's not as straightforward and simple to use in regular practice when you have to shift your eyes and look around from one indicator, one chart, one panel to the next. And it's easy to miss when certain conditions exist conducive to either a trade setup or trade management. Looking at a blank chart, it would be very difficult to determine when price might be considered over or undervalued or overbought, oversold. Using the RSI, we can pick up when these are happening, when price reaches the extreme, to the point where we actually no longer need to take up space on the chart with this oscillator. In fact, we don't even need to look at the oscillator. We simply need to know when the condition exists. When that condition exists, we're going to paint the outline of the bar to give us a heads up that we are now in an overbought or an oversold condition. You'll notice on the video how it prints in real time live on the current bar. You can use these on 1-minute charts, 5-minute charts, 15-minute charts, tick charts, range charts, and many other types of charts. This extremely powerful indicator can be used for trading pullbacks or retracements from a trend, scaling into or out of a trend, determining exhaustion, qualifying a breakout, or adding confluence to your current trading system. And cut.